sickle hemoglobin or simply HbS that will move slower in alkaline gel electrophoresis, and this characteristic is very useful to diagnose sickle cell trait as well as sickle cell disease, and how that we are going to look. But before that, there is one particular picture that is showing that hemoglobin electrophoresis. So here that HbA and HbS, that two bands are there, while HbS there is a single band, so which is moving slower. So mostly electric current is passing from this negative charge to the positive charge, so electron are mostly moving towards this positive charge, and this positive charge that is called an anode. So this anode that is positive electrode, while cathode that is negative electrode. So this electron that is moving towards the positive charge, but what happened? So this band is not moving in HbS, that we are going to look. So basically in this electrophoresis, what happened? In sickle cell disease, there is a replacement of glutamic acid by the valine. So in sickle cell hemoglobin, particular beta globin chain, where over the 6 site or 6 amino acid, that is glutamic acid, now it is replaced by the valine. Now this glutamic acid have a negative charge, but this negatively charged glutamic acid is replaced by the neutral charge valine, and so this HbS have a less negative charge, and due to less negative charge, that will not easily move towards this positively charged electrode or the anode. So it is not moving towards the anode, so it will remains towards the cathode. So that's why it is moving slowly. So less negatively charged HbS move less in the gel electrophoresis, and this electrophoresis is very useful for the diagnostic test for the sickle cell hemoglobin as well as other important hemoglobin. So during electrophoresis, particularly in alkaline medium, now again in this alkaline medium, what happened? All these amino acid which is present in this protein are mostly carrying negative charge, but in this sickle hemoglobin there is a less negative charge is present, so it will not moving towards this particular positively charged electrode. So that will move slowly towards the anode or positively charged electrode then as compared to the hemoglobin or adult hemoglobin. So if there is a trait is there, then both the band will be seen. So HbA and HbS both will be present, but sickle cell disease only one band, and here that normal adult hemoglobin that is showing only one band, that is moving faster as compared to the HbS. So that's why HbS, because of that replacement of neutral amino glutamic acid by the valine, which is neutral amino acid, so it is moving slower in alkaline gel electrophoresis. Here you have to remember that alkaline gel electrophoresis which is providing negative charge over the protein.